Hi friends, I'm Balloon Craze Jaze, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hat. With this you would need two balloons, preferably two different colors, so it's actually, you could tell the difference between them. And you would need to inflate it all the way, so just put the nozzle right there. Keep an eye on the end of the balloon. That's okay, and then release some air, make it softer, stretch it like that, and tie a knot on the nozzle. I'm going to set it right here, and then inflate the other one as well, all the way. Alright, looks good. Let some air out, don't forget to do that, so that it lessens the popping of the balloon. Believe me, it's still gonna pop sometimes, and that's okay. Alright, so now you will measure your head or your friend's head by doing this. You hold the other end of the balloon and the other end of the balloon and kind of put it together just like that. So if it's your head, you just basically put it right through your head, or your friend's head, you just try to put it over their head and give a little room so that it's not too tight. Let's say your friend's head is that big. Push it a little bit more, and then you twist these two together. When that happens, it's okay. So just that together. And then on the other end, you do the same thing. Twist these two together. Just wrap that around there to kind of lock it. Now here is the cool part. You want to twist these two balloons, so you kind of make an X right there, and then you kind of just twist these all the way to the top. When you're all the way to the top, crisscross them, twist it, and to lock it, put one of the balloons underneath there, and we'll lock that in place. And there is your simple hat. All right, enjoy and be safe.